Welcome to the Snap Quiz. In this video, test your observation skills. Can you find the odd numbers and letters within given time? In the end of video, share your score in comment box. How many did you find the odd numbers and letters? Are you ready? Let's go. Hi genius, anybody can find within 15 seconds. Time's up. Here is the correct answer. Hi legend, can you find 62 within given time? Great eyes, that one is different. Are you genius? Find 72 within 15 seconds. Right here, that's the odd one. Excellent work. Can you find the letter GF between these letters? Incredible is the letter GF. Only sharp eyes can find the number 82 within given time. Yes, is right here. You got it. Anybody can spot the number 92 within time. Well done, you found it. Look and see these numbers. Find the odd one out. Great catch. The odd number is right here. Can you find the odd letter here? Awesome, it's the letter H. Only sharp eyes can find the number 13 within given time. Fantastic is the tricky one. Anybody can find the number 23 between these numbers. Well done, you found it. Only sharp eyes can spot the number 30 between these numbers. Easy win, the answer is right here. Anybody can spot the letter IH within given time. Super sharp, here it is. Only sharp eyes can find the number 43 within given time. Nice, it's number 43, sharp eyes. Find the number 53 between 46. Great eyes, the number 53 here. Can you find the number 63 here? Wow, is right here. Anybody can find the letter JI between these letters? You got it, that tricky JI. However, try to spot the odd one out. Now here is the next one. Find the odd one out. Here you located the odd one. Great job. Which one does not seem to? This is the different one. Let's move on to the next question. What's your answer? Fantastic, you spotted. Which number does not belong on this group? You got it, another perfect find. Next question, which one is different on this board? Great observation, you found it. Among these numbers, let's try to find the unique one. Exactly, this one does not match the others. Where is the unique letter? 15 seconds left. Super, this one the letter LK. Here's your next challenge, find the odd one quick. You found the exact one, well done. Now can you find the odd one here? Yeah, the odd one is right here. Which one is the most different from the rest? Great job! The unique one is right here. Find the letter that catches your eyes as being unique. Wow, sharp eyes, here it is. Can you spot the odd number within time? Nice catch, you found it. Hi viewer, which number is the odd one? Yes, is right here. You got it. Hi genius, test your observation skills. Yes, this one is the different. Can you spot the unique letter? Awesome, here is the unique letter. Are you focus master? Find 94 within time. That one, the number 94. Anybody can find 05 within given time. This one, the number 05. Can you spot the odd number? Awesome job, keep it up. Which letter does it match the others? Super, this one, the letter ON. Find the odd number. Exactly, that's the odd one out. Try to spot the odd number. Time's up. Here is the correct answer. Can you look at the odd one? Incredible, the answer is right here. Which letter does it match the others? That's right, is the letter PO. Anybody can find the odd number 50 within given time. Yes, is right here. You got it. Anybody can find the odd number. Great eyes, the number 65 here. Can you find the number 75 within given time? Sharp eyes, here is the odd number. Which letter is the odd one? Great job! Here which you found. And now time for the final question. What's your answer? Excellent catch. The odd one is easy to spot now. How many did you find the odd numbers and letters? Share your score in comment box.